Hi, today test on the teardown of this thing. We have here a light indicator assembly from a Soviet aircraft or helicopter. It is a very common model. They came in several sizes. Here we have 4 indicators, but you add ones with 8 or maybe more even. So we have a die-cast metal box, the 4 lights. This button has a double purpose of brightness control and test function for the lights. On the back here are the model numbers and serial number for it. So it is hooked with this 10-pin plug, regular model of Soviet-made plug. I made a video about how to take them apart. I will link it in the description box below. And we have 10 pins which are numbered 1 to 10, and we have a very complicated pinout. As you can see, you cannot do better than this, considering that the bulb 1 is the one in the top. You cannot find anything more simple than this. Okay, so for testing it, I need to connect to this plug. I know what you are going to say. You are going to say you don't have a machine socket. Of course I have a machine socket, and it is even a gold-plated one. So I will connect this. So to connect this kind of plugs, you have to push a little bit, turn a little bit, push again, turn again, push again, turn again, until you reach the full contact. Here we are. So we are connected, and here is what we get when. So this is the full brightness. As you can see, we have 4 times the same thing. I am in focus. But we have a number 1 or 2 here and 3 or 4. So maybe it is about 4 motors in 4 reactors in an aircraft, or 4 motors, turbines. Not sure. So about the brightness control, in fact, it is a mechanical brightness control with 2 little kind of shutters. I will show you. And you can get it very dim. Okay, so it is all for the text feature, because anyway there is nothing much to see. The labels are a little worn out. As you can see, it is a black silk screen, it seems, behind this plastic window. Okay, so I will disconnect this. So same thing for undoing the connector. It is better to pull a little bit, turn a little bit until it unmates. So I will turn off the power, and I will undo the 2 screws. So they are not the original screws. The original screws were very worn out, so quite easy. So here we are. So this front part holds the dimmer control. As you can see, these 2 metal parts move like so, and this is sticking out to push on the test button down here. Of course, we are running regular bulbs in this. So if I undo these 2 screws, of course I don't have a correct screwdriver. So here we are. So everything is made of die-cast aluminum in this. we will have a better view of mechanical shutter assembly. Very simple thing, 2 metal plates that move like so. And I should be able to remove them, yes, very easily, in order to reveal the... No, in fact, not yet. I do not know how you access behind this piece of this small windows. Maybe you have to unglue the seal here. Probably yes. This is kept together with this seal, but it seems to be very hard to remove, so I will not try to remove it. And by the look of it, it will be fun to put back together. It is not the correct way, of course, and we'll do it later. Okay, about this here, we have a piece of rubber to add some more airtightness or water tightness or whatever. And we have the 4 bulbs inside, as you can see. They are regular B9S bulbs. They are given, this one are given for, they are not the original ones. They are given for 12 volts, okay. And here we have the, so of course a LED retrofit should be nice in this. We have a push button with a nice logo on it. So to take this further apart, I need to undo 2 screws. It will release this piece made of some kind of Amberton plastic material. You can see the very nice pattern over it, very pretty. And now the back piece here is free, but in order to remove it, in fact I need to push the wires here through it. So I did unglue a little bit the wrapper around the wires. I will reglue it later maybe. So here is what we have inside. As you can see, it is that simple. Just 4 light bulb holders, the wire soldered to it, one other Amberton piece here, and the switch. So we have a nice logo on this button, looks like some little crown or something like this. And it looks like it can be unscrewed, this part. So if I can find the wrench, I will unscrew it. Of course I do not find my adjustable wrench. It is not the correct size. I need to find the 12mm one. This one should be good. Of course, Murphy's Law. It is not 12, it is 13. It should be way too easy. If it was the correct size the first try. So here is what we have in this button. Just 3 contacts. Only 2 of them are used. In fact, 2 are bridged together. And this piece you push. There is a spring inside. It is riveted down here. By the looks of it, we have some marks of sparking inside. Yes, it is a very simple assembly. And we have 4 bulbs. They are not original. I must have Russian bulbs somewhere, but this one are in better condition anyway. The case, there is nothing else inside. You can see it is like a 1 millimeter thick aluminum case. And this wire harness is handmade. They did glue this piece of fabric around it and secure the wires with this thread here, and probably lacquer over it or something like this. On the plug there is a plug ID number here. Provision for lock wire, of course. And it is all. The number is written another time and here it seems. This is fabric with a layer of rubber over it. And the wires are fabric insulator wires. Okay, so for putting this apart, it is just a matter of pulling this back together, pulling, putting some glue over it, and reinstalling the screws. Okay, so it is a nice little device. I would like to find more of them to play with them. But this is all the design. The more recent aircraft did not use this design. They were more compact. If I remember the cockpit photos I looked at. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.